What's going on, everybody? It's Night Owl Chris, your boy. I'm back. So today, I'm going to be doing a nice little video of the Veloster drive point of view with the windows down, of course. And just for all the haters out there that were crying about my legs being small, you know, I got you, dude. I wore the shorts today on purpose. And my automatic manual. So, anyways, we're going to drive to work. Got to be there for 3. It's 1:56 now. Got some McDonald's. Now I'm ready to go. I'm probably gonna do a video on the way back home if there's still battery on this when it's nighttime, because the way I drive through on my way home, there's a lot of Christmas lights and decorations set up and stuff, and it looks really cool. I'm gonna try to keep the talking to a minimum and the humming because I got an AirPod in. Hopefully that you can't hear that. So yeah. Anyways, here we go. Let's go to work. And just so everybody knows, yes, I do know how to drive a manual. The only reason I don't have a manual is because when I bought this car, it was all they had. And it's my first car, so I'm like, you know, I don't want to have to deal with all that bullshit for my first car. So, yeah. I'm looking at a Subaru Forester though, I'm not gonna lie to you. Are they actually turning, or are they gonna fucking plow right into me? But yeah, I kind of want to have the best of the both worlds with cars. Now that I have this thing, it's all tuned and full bolt on. It's like a, you know, a nice little sports car. But I also want to get like a summer car for like mud, or like an off-road winter car. So, you know, I was thinking about getting a lifted Forester. You know, I'm gonna lift it and put like the, you know, wheel spacers on it, all that. You know, nice BF Goodrich grabbers or something crazy like that. So, yeah. I'm looking at a couple of them now. To be honest with you, I really want to get a boosted XT square body model. But the only problem with that is they're very far and few between, especially around here. And, you know, probably going to be pretty tough to find one. I did find one a little ways away, but the only problem is that they want fucking $8 grand for it. I'm like, yo, I mean, it's a good price for that, but we'll see. Hopefully the audio's good in this video and there's not a lot of wind noise, because I know that it's a little breezy out today. We're supposed to have some sort of a storm coming tomorrow. Like, I don't know, 70-mile-an-hour winds and rain. Christmas Eve. I'm like, the fuck is that? But, you know, it is what it is. I think it's so funny how many comments I got for people dissing it being an automatic. It's like, that's really good sportsmanship. You know, you're a real car guy if you have a problem with automatics, considering some of the fastest cars in the world are automatic or try to be automatic with dog box transmissions, because they shift faster than any fucking human in the world can shift. And I don't have to let off the gas at all. I would love to race a Veloster with the exact same modifications and tune that I have on mine, and that's a manual, because I know I would still win because I'm automatic. I just think it's funny. And then people are gonna go in the comments and go, "Oh, you don't know what you're talking about. You're a fucking idiot." I mean, that's what you think. That makes you feel good. Then power to you. Power to you, girl. mile, some guy flew past me on a double yellow because he's like, I wasn't going fast enough. And you know what happened? You know what happened? You guys really want to know what happened? He met me at the fucking red light that I met him at the same time, and he went past me. What a buffoon. The other day when it was snowing, I don't even have all season tires on this. These are summer performance. These are like the Federal 2955s or whatever, dude. Or 595s actually. And they're literally like just fucking sports tires. And I was like all over the road. I had no traction, and had this fucking guy go past me on the way to work in a big lifted truck. He flew past me, and next thing I know, the fucking guy, we had a turn. It was like a sharp turn, and he loses control, and fucking spun out. And you know what I did? I honked him when I went past him. And I'm like, dude, I don't care how big your truck is. You can't stop. You can't stop. It's worse for you, dude. You can go through it easier, but you still can't stop. You know, all that weight, dude. I don't know. I'm rambling. I'm gonna stop talking because I like to enjoy my videos without listening to myself. I listen to myself every day. Sorry, Mom. You're gonna see this in this video. Sorry, Mom. You'll understand why I couldn't well, driving, so I can't answer phones. It's dangerous. Can't be on the phone and driving. We're gonna have to turn on Do Not Disturb in a minute, too. Probably be a good idea if I let her know I'm making a video. I'll call her when I get to work, right? Come on, guys, that's a dangerous game.